Can you mentally find out, and the emphasis is on the word mentally, what is 104 square? You get 3 seconds for that and your time starts now. Your time is up. The correct answer is 10816. There it is, 10816. And I'm sure that you have got the same answer, because once again you have to use the same base method for squaring the numbers. Let's see how. Now, all you need to do to find the square of 104 is to add this digit to this entire number. So what is 4 plus 104? It is 108, and you get the first 3 digits of your answer. Now 2 more digits to go. So just find the square of this digit again. So square of 4 is 16. So that is what your answer is. See, it's so simple. That's why I said mentally and in 3 seconds. Now you know, it was no big deal. So I'm sure you have figured out what I have done here. All I have done is taken the base 100. Now as you know, 104 is 4 more than the base 100. So add that extra 4, that is distance from the base, to this entire number. So it will become 108. Okay. Now for the last 2 digits, because base 100 has 2 zeros, so 2 more places to go. All you need to do is find the square of that distance. So the square of 4 is 16, and you get this answer. So now you find out what would be 113 square. Now once again add this 13, that is distance from the base 100, to this entire number. So 13 plus 113 is 126, isn't it? These are the first 3 digits of your answer. Now for the last 2 digit, all you need to do is find the square of this distance, that is 13. 13 square is 169. Write 1 here, 6 here, 9 here. Now it would be 12769. That is what your answer is. As simple as that. Isn't it? In a blink of an eye, you are squaring 3 digit numbers. Isn't that amazing? Okay. So once again, you find out what is 98 square. So distance of 98 from the base 100 is minus 2. So subtract that 2 from 98, it would be 96. These are first 2 digits of your answer. Now for the last 2 digits, all you need to do is find the square of that distance. So 2 square is 4. So write 04 here. This is what your answer is. Easy and effective. So find out what would 89 square be. Once again, 89 is 11 less than the 100. So subtract that 11 from 89. It would be 8878. Jumping down 10, trick of subtraction. Now 2 more places to go. So you just put the square of that distance, that is 11 here. So square of 11 is 121. So the answer would be 78 plus 1 is 7921. Now find the squares of all these numbers as fast as you can. Quickly. Start with the first number, 203 square. So take the base as 200. So this is 3 more than the base. So add this digit to this entire number. 3 plus 203 is 206. But before you put down 206 here, you have to double it up, isn't it? So I write 412. Why do I double it up? Because the base 200 is 2 times the primary base 100. Now since 100 has 2 zeros, so 2 more places to go. All you need to do is find the square of this distance. So 3 square is 9, so put 09 here. That's it. So now find the square of 212 using the same approach. So once again add this 12, that is distance from the base 200 to this entire number. 12 plus 212 would be 224, and double of 224 would be 448 using the doubling technique. Now two more places to go. So just put the square of 12 here. 12 square is 144, 144. So the answer would be 44944. Now find the square of 188. Quickly tell me the answer. 188 is 12 less than the base 200. So immediately subtract that 12 from 188. It would be 186, 176, and double of 176 is 352. How? Using the doubling technique. 176. So double of 17 is 34, but the next digit is more than 4. So I add 1 to 34, that is 35, and copy the units digit of double of 6, that is 2, isn't it? So it is 352. Now two more places to go. So just put the square of the distance, that is 12 square is 144. So the answer would be 353.44. Now you have to do this last question. Come on, tell me the answer. What is 196 square? I'm waiting. So once again 196 is 4 less than the base 200. So immediately subtract that 4 from 196. It would be 192, and twice of 192 would be 38.4, that is 384. Now two more places to go. So just put the square of 4, that is 16, and that's your answer. Now once again, to find the double of 192, I have used the doubling technique. So double of 19 is 38, but before I put down 38, I have a glance at the last digit. If it is 4 or less, then I put 38 as it is, otherwise I add 1 to it. So in this case it is 2, so I can safely put 38 here, and then double of 2 is 4, so it is 38.4, that is 384. So practice makes a man perfect, and I'm sure that is applicable to women as well.